Oh, it's that time of the year. Vegas, baby. SEMA 2021. Day one, SEMA. Now, there was nothing like a burnout competition. Reminds me of the Super Nats back home, but I had my own Super Nats in Vegas. So here are the boys. After taking a little look around the outside, I decided I wanted to have a look in the halls. I want to spend most of my day in there to see what was going on, see what companies are in there, if there's anything new, but it seems very thinned out because of the COVID. I guess a lot of the international clients couldn't make it because of COVID. I know the poor Aussies weren't there because it looked like I was the only one there. I never met another Aussie the whole damn time. So I guess I had to do it all on my own. Well, after wandering the day at SEMA, I decided to take a break into the nightlife of Vegas. That was kind of extremely interesting. A lot of pot hanging around. Obviously things changed a bit since then. It must be legalized. because I could smell it everywhere, up and down the streets, a whole lot. I mean, I was probably high on just the smell, and let alone that would have been interesting for the second day at SEMA. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, you can leave a message, but only really good messages won't be good. Otherwise, I won't reply to them. But thanks for watching. Catch you later.